blanket hack. So this one will be for 50 points. Now we won't have you guys lose any points yet. If I suck, you just won't gain any. Because I am out of practice on Watch Dogs for sure. And this guy's on a motorcycle. Where's he at? Where are we at? He is way the F down here.
Hi.
Hey, baby. Look at her cool hat.
Yeah, doesn't
Bend
look
down.
as cool when all the green disappears.
It's still cool. It's still cool.
Eat you.
Do it. Alright. I gotta go catch this hacker, honey. I wanna get off this stupid highway. So I want to get down to the trains there, actually. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Did you guys just see that?
What
Did you guys just seriously see that?
How? What the fuck was that?
Okay, I don't know if that'll save a clip or what. I forget the buttons to save a clip. That was effing crazy. I tried to do a wheelie to, like, jump over the side, and instead it, like, totally jumped me up. That was some crazy shit. Yeah, I wish I had my instant replay thing working, but I haven't turned that back on yet. Oh, this guy's going the other way now. I wasn't paying attention. I was so, like, amazed by that crazy frickin' jump. I'm gonna make that a highlight later for sure. Alright, he's hiding. He's hiding in the woods over here somewhere.
That was super weird.
Alright, where to hack him at? He's gonna red zone me really quick, actually. Yeah, let's hack him over here. I don't really have a spot to hack him over here. But at least we have the up and down of the train station area. Let's do that. Oh, Aiden, he fell off the train. Aiden hacked the train. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, this guy isn't. I was gonna black out to stop the train. I know it doesn't lock me in or anything, but to stop it from going. Instead, I was like, I'm not gonna waste my blackouts on that when I can just hack it. So. Be the bush. I'm trying this again. Just because nobody's coming and we got time. Oh yeah. And that's how it's done. Alright, that's a whole 50 points for you guys. I'm just gonna keep track of it on the screen for a bit and then I'll pay you guys out later. Alright, what did I miss? We're adding quotes. Silly Akmel, streams are for kids. Highlight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like try to recreate that stunt, whatever the hell that was, later. Cause that could be useful if it's repeatable. That was some crazy shit. I was just trying to do a wheelie to get over the wall, and I went flying up to like the next level. That was some crazy shit. Oh wait, I wanted to check the person we just hacked. Possibly a newbie. That's why it never came looking for me. Pay us. You'll get paid, dude. That's why I'm keeping track of it for now. But you will get paid, my friend. Alright, another 50-pointer. If I felt like resetting my points, I would do that to get you guys more points, but I'm just trying to try this out for now. He saw a fire truck inside a train? Farenthane, thanks for the host, my friend.